Hey everyone, it's Ben with Master Spot Parts. Today we're going to show you how to change a heater. So the tools that I have for this, I have two 3/8" wrenches, I have a 1/4" wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, an oil filter wrench, and then I have a vice grip that has flat ends on it. So today with the heater, we're just going to show you some parts quick. These are your sensors that detect your water flow, one on each side. This is where your connections are made from the circuit board to the heater by the copper straps. So in this, a big thing I want to point out right away is that when you're installing the new heater, these are 1/4" lugs. So with your 1/4" wrench, when you're tightening, when you're taking the copper straps off, anything, you want to make sure to hold these tight and they're not going to move. The heating element is ceramic, so if you tighten it too much, you can crack it. Cracking it is going to affect the lifespan of the heater itself, and nobody wants to do that. So the other thing I want to point out while we have it right here, the heater gaskets. So this is a little gasket. These of course are glued into your spa, but this just comes in and out. So a lot of times these go bad. Just a real simple fix here. We'll go down and show you how to change the heater. So Phillips head screwdriver, take out the screws in your pack. If you're unsure where your pack is located, it's below your control panel. So where you turn your pumps on and off, it's directly below that. So the heater itself is located right here. You have your heater split nuts. On this side of the heater, you have the slice valve with the T-handle. You want to go ahead and close that. Also on the opposite end of the pump you have a slice valve, so go ahead and close that. Most pumps have a constant water feed line, and that's what I use this for, kind of clamp it off. That way we're not losing a bunch of water. I'm going to grab my oil filter wrench and my wrenches. So on this particular heater, there's two bolts that hold it into place. One here up right on the top, 3/8". Just loosen those up. And then there's one down here on the bottom as well. Just loosen those up so that when you get to that point, you can pull it out. So your sensors unplug from the circuit board. Fish them through the wires. Being careful. So the copper straps on your on most old heaters, the reason I have two 3/8" wrenches is it's actually a 3/8" nut under there. So you have to shove that one's too thick. You have to shove a 3/8" wrench underneath your heater strap and then loosen the nut on top, making sure to secure that bottom one. So get those loose. Same thing here. This thing's making a fool out of me. Lift the copper straps up off. Now it's time to remove the split nuts. Oil filter wrench, counterclockwise, clockwise. Pull them out. I normally try and clean up where the gasket goes. They both came out pretty good. As you can tell, the slice valves are holding pretty well. Now there's a little bit of water, but put the heater gaskets back in. I start to tighten them up on there, kind of stop the water flow, get my heater in the angle it needs to be. This pack's not screwed down. Plug your sensors in. And again, connect your copper straps, making sure to use that 1/4 inch wrench when tightening them. I spin them on their hand tight. Get them pretty secure. Tightening these down very well. There's your heater changed. So open the slice valves back up, uncrimp your line, check for leaks down here. You should be ready to go. If you have any questions, give our office a call, 855-308-2149. Thanks and have a good day.